At a top-secret testing ground, somewhere in the Mojave Desert, a new weapon to help police fight crime is being shown to Inspector Snooker.
But City Inspector, the SCC-1. Not only is it the fastest car in the world, it's a jet plane. And a submarine.
Amazing! What does the SCC-1 mean, Professor?
Super Crook Catcher. And there is only one like it in the world.
What are you doing here, Lieutenant Mumbly? This is top secret. Now beat it!
Snooker. Hey, Charlie, show the inspector some sticks.
Roger, Professor. If a crook is escaping in a car, we go after him. Get above him. And we got him. If a crook tries to escape on foot, catching him is a snap.
Let me down! Let me down, you lame brain! I'm not a crook!
Oh, sorry, Inspector.
Gotta hand it to you, Professor. No crook would stand a chance if the police force had the SCC-1.
On the other hand, no cop would stand a chance if a crook had it.
Fill her up, Charlie. The inspector wants to take her out for a spin.
Roger. Hey, what the? Hey, out, Charlie, out.
All set, Charlie?
Sure thing, Professor. Only I ain't Charlie.
Oh, no! It's Big Duke, the most wanted crook in the country.
Right, Inspector. And I dare you to stop me in my super cop clobberer.
Quick, Inspector! You must go after him!
Are you kidding? Anybody who tried to stop him has to be totally stupid. Stupid? Hey, Mumbly, come back! Lieutenant, you have just volunteered to bring back Big Duke and the SCC-1. And make it snappy.
600 miles an hour! Wow! The way I'm bringing up the highway, no cop can ever touch me. Oh, goodbye, Mumbly. Now that I'm free of that flea bag, I'm off to the big city and the biggest caper of my career. No, it can't be. Mumbly's nowhere in sight.
Gotcha.
Wrong, pal. I got you. Sorry, Lieutenant. No hitchhikers. Now, to spot me a nice heist to pull. Oh, perfecto! An armored car payroll delivery with only 10 guards. This is gonna be a cinch. First,
Hey, what's happening?
now I remove the guard.
Must have been a hurricane.
Then I remove the safe. And now I remove the loop.
Gotcha.
Mumbly!
Yup.
How How about a deal, Lieutenant? We'll have a contest. If you win, I go to jail. But if you lose, you won't be able to take me to jail. Do you accept?
Yup.
Let the contest begin. Ready?
Ready.
Arrivederci, Mumbly. I guess I showed him. I guess I didn't. Well, you guessed wrong. Because what you can't see, you can't catch. Thanks to the SCC-1's Inviso Beam. I'll see you around, Mumbly. No, at left. It can't be. But it is.
Yup.
This is it, Mumbly. I'm gonna drill, smash, splatter, squish, blast, drown, and pulverize you! He's gone. I did it. I won the contest. I got rid of Mumbly forever. Mumbly? Oh, no!
Sorry, Professor, but it looks hopeless.
Yeah, as long as the SCC-1 is in a crook's hands.
It's Lieutenant Mumbly.
But look, the SCC-1 is still in the hands of a crook.
Yeah, and it's all your fault, Professor. Your supercar had everything except the spare tire.